how to get a QR code for Microsoft Authenticator. So here's how it works. Once you load up the Authenticator app, then it's going to ask you to sign in. Now, how you will get your code really depends on what platform you are trying to use. So if you want to use the Microsoft platform and initially set it up, you will get it from the security page on the Microsoft website. But if you're trying to set up Authenticator for another app, then you will need to get or display that code on your computer screen. So I recommend using a computer and then clicking the QR code button here in the bottom right. After you have displayed this code on your computer screen, you can aim the camera at your computer screen and scan it that way. If you need to get a QR code for verification IDs, you will click on here at the bottom again for verified IDs, and again you can scan QR code, which is going to be generated depending on what platform you are trying to set up. I hope this video answers your question. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.